Hey, have y'all ever seen this product? What they do when they do this? Have y'all ever seen this product right here? This is maybe the best product on the market. Do you know what this can do? It gets up in your nose, it get hairs, but here's what they don't tell you. It can also get up in your ears, get hairs. It can also get up in your mouth, a little tongue. Get it? No, it don't do that. It don't do that. But this right here, let me show you how it works. Okay. Okay. Y'all hear it? This is health and beauty right here. This is all about beauty. This is all about self-care and upkeep. And you don't want hairs hanging all out your nose. Yeah, you do not want hairs hanging out your nose. Okay? So that's that, guys. This right here.